He's saying my son is 9. Would it be a good idea for him to study and settle abroad if he decides to do it in the future? Your take on this will matter a lot to me.
I appreciate that you hold my opinion in high regard. As a parent, of course, this is totally your call. I would say you look at it, you look at it in the most objective way. Okay. As a parent, you want your child to grow up and eventually spend the best of their life in an environment which is safe, number one, which is nurturing, number two, which is rewarding, number three. गुड़गांव में तो पॉसिबल नहीं है ये. All other things being considered कि चलो आपने यहाँ पे नौकरी ले लिया, you gave him good education, when by good I mean MBA, और कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे. तो एमबीए किया, नौकरी लगी, अच्छा इसमें आपका फ्लैट है, आपका एक सेकंड फ्लैट भी है, नो ऐसा वेकेशन वाला वो सब है आपके पास. बट आपका बच्चा जो हवा ले रहा है अंदर, वो हवा ही उसका लाइफ स्पैन कम कर रहा है. तो फिर इसमें कोई दो राय है ही नहीं इसमें. इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. नो एंड अपना तो आधा लाइफ निकल गया, आपका भी आधा निकल गया, ज्यादा निकल गया, पर जिसका लाइफ बाकी है उसको इट इंक्रीजिंगली कंपाउंडेड इफेक्ट्स यू विल सी ऑफ द पोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस कंट्री ऑन द हेल्थ ऑफ पीपल हु आर ग्रोइंग अप राइट नाउ. They'll also grow up in more stress and they'll grow up eating lesser and lesser quality food despite paying higher and higher for it. There are these huge calls saying there is already an epidemic of lifestyle disorders that are being seen in people who are 30 and 40 years old. So no, ये stress lifestyle दो वर्ड अपन बहुत सुना है, बट जो आपका हवा में से अंदर टॉक्सिन जा रहा है उसका इफेक्ट भी अभी दिखना शुरू हो चुका है. जस्ट दैट कोविड में करोड़ों लोग मर गया, अपन उसको काउंट नहीं किया, वैसे इसको अपन काउंट नहीं करेगा, आपको मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. बट स्पेशली इफ अ चाइल्ड इज यंग, हाउ यंग इज सन इज 9, ऑलरेडी लॉट ऑफ डैमेज इज डन. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज फॉर चिल्ड्रन, नो, द लंग कैपेसिटी टू टोटल बॉडी वेट is very high. So they take in more pollutants, compared to their body weight. So it affects them in a more profound way than it affects you and me, the air pollution. And India is amongst right now the most polluted countries in the world. So I would say simply on that point, as a concerned parent, you should be okay if, especially if the opportunity presents itself, to let them go. Of course, the flip side is that you have to stay away from them. They will drift away from our culture, our wonderful culture, which helps us be so nice to each other. So that is the sacrifice. But as a parent, I think objectively, it's not even a question to be asked. You have to let them go.